All right, Abe, we're finally making this YouTube collaboration happen.
We should do that again. Sorry, I was looking.
All right, Abe, we're finally making this YouTube collaboration happen.
Hell yeah.
We've stacked some epic clips so far. Don't really have much of a storyline. What should we do about that?
I think you just gotta go classic montage, GoPro epic banger sesh.
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that.
You.